Top 5 free PDF editors. So let's get started. I'm starting with the countdown. So we have the top 5. I'm starting with the first. So starting with the PDF Candy. PDF Candy offer advanced features like OCR file conversion and scanning. The free versions allow one task per hour, but it's user friendly and versatile. And another one in my list is the PDF 24 Creators, a lightweight and fast editors with features like merging, e-signing, and conversion. It's completely free but only available for Windows, and also PDF Gears, known for its polished interface and AI assistance, it provides a full set of editors capabilities for free. And also His Us PDF Editor, a versatile tool for editing, converting, and protecting PDFs. It supports various formats and including features like watermark and OM or OCR, and also is PDF Exchange Editor, which offer a robust tools and its free version. Through it, though it's watermark documents unless you upgrade it.